हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप लोग? अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं एंड यू वांट डेली स्टडी व्लॉग्स दैट यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर कैट 2025, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and bell notification icon on करना ना भूलिएगा। So guys, I'm gonna tell you in this video what is the wrong method that we have been preparing for a CAT exam। क्योंकि in yesterday's vlog मैंने बोला था कि for RC practice we should read aeons, Smithsonian, New York Times वगैरह वगैरह। But then I got a comment and then I realized कि no, I was wrong. That comment says कि rather than reading these books, just go with the practice of RCs till last year, whatever we have forgot. Because RC doesn't only mean reading, it also means option elimination, option choosing the correct answer. So we won't be able to develop that habit just by reading. So I liked his perception, but yesterday in that vlog, I told you to read for aeons, go for aeons, Smithsonian and all because till now in our classes and also on YouTube, we have heard to read those books. So it was same for in my mindset कि हाँ इस बार मेरे पास बहुत सारा time है, I will do it. But then after reading that comment yesterday, it changed my little perception कि हाँ बात तो सही है. Rather than reading those books, let's go with RCs. So I have received those RCs. I'll be sharing the link in the description. It has many RCs covered with that. Also, I would suggest just go with Word Power Made Easy because it will help you with the words, meanings, and all. It is a good book. So go with the Word Power Made Easy. Go with the RCs practice and also maths calculations and everything like LCM, SCF, square roots, cubes, and multiplication factors, speed calculations. And all. So I'll be starting my preparation from Monday, that is tomorrow, and also I will let you know in detail how I'm preparing, what I'm doing for preparation, which subject I'm choosing, and how I'm preparing. So stay tuned in this journey for CAT 2025 and let's prepare together. You will also get an idea how I am preparing, and also for the last thing, join the offline classes nearby you. It will be helpful, very helpful. I don't much believe in online classes. I told this in the before vlog, yesterday's vlog too. But still, I'm repeating this. If you haven't seen that vlog, just go and check that vlog because I just told कि offline classes are much better than online. But why? For that you can check that vlog. And also stay tuned on this channel for starting the journey. Don't be like अभी तो बहुत टाइम है कर लेंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं, फिर धीरे धीरे चीज़ें इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, फिर बेसिक चीज़ें करने का टाइम नहीं रहेगा. So let's start with the basic things. Let's ace our journey. Let's do something and make it this time. And अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. And everyone, please like this video if you like my vlogs. That's it for today. Bye bye.